YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a wonderful hair review for you guys. This is very beginner friendly. If you are new to wigs, this is something that you'll definitely want to stick around for and watch. The company is BODYWAVE, and this wig can be found on Amazon. So if this is something you think you'd like, please stay tuned. This is going to be a very simple hair review and wig install. For those of you who are new to wigs and you don't have time for lace and all this extra stuff, but you just want to put something on your head so that you can look halfway decent because you didn't have time to do your hair, I think this is a good wig. I'm going to be reviewing this wig by BODYWAVE, and you can find it on Amazon. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing this wig, which is a 14-inch BODYWAVE wig with a bang, no lace. This is the package that it comes in. It says it's 100% Remy human hair, and it just has like hair instructions on the back of how to take care of the wig and so on and so forth. So I'm going to take it out the package. And when you take it out, it's going to be like this, and it has a hairnet over it, which I'm going to take off now. And this is what the hair is looking like. This is a BODYWAVE wig with bang. And I did wear this before, so I'm actually putting it on again to make a review for you guys because I liked it so much. I thought it was simple. I'm not crazy about the bang, but I know some people like bang, so I wanted to show you guys. So it did come with a wig cap, which I already have on under here. And this is the wig cap that it came with. And yeah, my hair is already braided underneath. And so we're going to install. Okay, so this one only comes with 2 combs, one in the front and one in the back, and it also has an adjustable strap down at the bottom that you can adjust to your head size. So let's put this on. So a rule of thumb is that you align the the comb in the front with your nose. And yeah, so you just do like this, and then the comb in the back. Okay, and then you just adjust the wig. I know it looks crazy, but you gotta comb it, guys. So I'm gonna comb it through. And I'll be looking at my other mirror here for extra help because I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm just looking in the camera phone. Yeah. So as you can see, these are the BODYWAVEs. And this BODYWAVE wig is very pronounced. The hair is very soft. I was sent a BODYWAVE wig before, and that BODYWAVE wig actually was, it didn't have all these waves in them. So let me see. The hair is very soft. And I think I combed some of the hair. Like it's coming with some of the long pieces. So I'm going to get some scissors and try to like cut the bang a little bit to make it, it has a lot of little extra long pieces. Let me just cut it and I'll be back. So I'll cut off like the extra strands of hair. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna comb it out for you guys so you can see the hair. This wig does not have a lot of shedding. So it has a lot of body, as you can see. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was not crazy about this wig. I wore it one time for a wedding and I liked it so much I decided to do this review. I like that the hair is very full. Okay, so I'll show you. You can, if you would like a bang, which I'm not too crazy about, you can style it. And if you wanted it to have like a bump, you can curl it with a curling iron, but I'm not gonna do that. I think for the wedding, yeah, I kind of tried to do like a little swoop. Like, so like, yeah, like this. I don't know, because I just did not want a bang. Like, I mean, you guys might want a bang, but I don't want a bang. So you're basically gonna just have to play around with it so you can get the look that you like. So guys, that's basically it. Like, if you want to just have a wig that's easy, which this one is, style and go, this is the one. And with the bang, if you want a bang that has a bump, you would just use a curling iron. But I'm not too crazy about the bang, or you could just wear it down straight like how you saw it, or you could swoop it to the side and then try to give the rest of the wig some kind of body like that. You could even do like a little side ponytail or whatever, but this wig is really, really easy to go. Like, you put it on, you comb it through like you see me do, and then it's good to go. The hair is really soft, as you can see, hardly any shedding. I didn't get shedding with this wig, and mine, like I said, I wore it before, so it does still have some product in it. But what you would want to do is maybe get like a wax or edge cream or something like that, and you would just put it in place, like to hold the bang. Mine already has hold, but I'm just telling you now, I don't want to put more so it doesn't have, like, it has too much. You would just put it on, and then it will help to keep your wig in place, because when you buy the wig, it's not going to have any product on it, especially you wash it or whatever. But then it's human hair, so it's going to act like human hair and maybe have some frizzies. And then when you style it, you might have it in a way where you want it to maintain that shape. So that's why you would get like a wax stick or something that you can hold like at least the root part in place. And then you can leave the rest because you want movement of the hair so that it can be bouncy. So I'll show you. So yeah guys, I really like this unit. I think it's a very simple wig and beginner friendly, not a lot of shedding. You don't have to worry about lace, anything like that. You don't have to worry about bleaching knots. This is a nice go-to wig. So again, the company is BODYWAVE, and you can find them on Amazon. All the information will be in the description bar. Now guys, if you like the hair bonnet that I had on, I have these available on my website. They come in all sizes. They are reversible, satin lined. They come in different colors, solids with prints, prints with solids, and they can be customized. So you can check these out on etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. Also for lip gloss today, I have on clear lip gloss, and I have my pink strawberry. This lip gloss is really nice, and as you can see, it's a nude gloss. So it looks really pretty, and you can check this out at kharyzmaforyou.com. So thank you guys for watching. All the information will be in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, kharyzmaforyou.style and kharyzmaforyou fashion. Have a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye bye.